When mirror is covered with dust, we cannot see our face clearly until we cleanse it. In the same way, our mind, consciousness, intelligence is contaminated with material desire like lust, greed, anger, false pride, jealousy, attachment. And because of this contamination, material desire, material consciousness, material contamination, we don't identify ourselves. We do not distinguish what is what, who I am, what is our real identity. We are soul, not the body. This is the real self-realization. This is the real knowledge. And this knowledge only we can gain when we engage in spirituality, when we follow dharmas. Holy scripture, incarnation of Lord Rama, Krishna, who always incarnated on this material world to teach us, to teach every human being that dharma should be on top. Because when we sincerely follow the spirituality, follow the path of dharma, then everything automatically will be followed. Everything will be go smoothly like butter. Because spirituality, practice of spirituality gives compassion, feeling for all creatures, all living beings. As we know that each and every creature, living being, living entity is soul, and this soul is the part and parcel of Lord Krishna, who is everyone's supreme father. So when we come to know this, that we all are soul and our father is one, all living creatures father is one, Lord Krishna, then we will develop compassion for everyone.